spicy, sticky, sweet baked chicken wings with a unique color. I'm Tess, and today I will show you a sauce you might not be familiar with. It's also Chinese barbecue sauce, and it has a bright neon red color, and we are going to spice it up and put it on some wings. Stay tuned. I was browsing our Asian market, and I came across this also Chinese barbecue sauce. It has such a unique color, and I was curious to the flavor. What I found was that also sauce is a New England American Chinese style barbecue sauce that is sweet and sticky with a distinct bright neon color. You can use it as a sauce or a marinade. If you read the ingredients, they are not the best. Basically colored corn syrup with a few other flavors. When I gave it a taste, I was surprised. I anticipated that the sweet would hit me up front, but it was the salty from the soy sauce, then garlic, and then sweet. So I thought I would bring it together and spice it up and put it on some chicken wings. I have some chicken drums and flats that I cleaned and dried. I'm pouring over 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, giving them a toss, and letting them set for 10 minutes. I have an 11-ounce jar of also sauce, and I'm pouring over about half. To kick up the heat, I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of Sriracha sauce. My husband said it was a nice heat, but I would add another teaspoon or 2 if you like it really hot. I'm also adding in about 1 tablespoon of honey. Now we give everything a good toss to get the wings coated. I'm placing the wings on a wire rack on a foil-lined baking sheet. These are going into the center rack of a 400-degree oven for 30 minutes, and then I'll show you the next step. Ah, they are smelling and looking good. I'm turning my oven up to 425 degrees, and I'm giving the wings another good coating of our spicy also sauce. These are going back into the oven on the top rack for another 10 to 15 minutes. Don't walk away and keep an eye on the wings. There is a lot of sugar in the sauce, and you don't want them to burn. These also Chinese chicken wings turned out much better than expected. With just the also sauce, sriracha, and honey, the flavor was spot on. Spicy, sticky, sweet Chinese baked chicken wings. Serving with steamed rice and garnishing with chopped green onions and sesame seeds. The also Chinese style sauce is quite unique. If you're unable to find the sauce, I will leave an Amazon link in the description box below. There are so many different ways you could use this sauce. I'm already thinking of making some fried rice or ramen noodles. I hope you give my spicy also Chinese wings a try, and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow, and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.